Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. Zohan is all set for a new haircut with matching mask and flip-ons. So it's been really 2 months since we had Zohan's hair chopped and it has grown now, alhamdulillah, mashallah. So we are now heading towards Express Avenue for a haircut. On the way we parked our vehicle near Hotel Millet to try paneer soda because it's my husband's favorite. If you haven't tried it, then do check out Hotel Millet's paneer soda. They have different flavors in that and it tastes really good. So after parking the vehicle, we started heading towards Express Avenue for Zohan's haircut. Zohan gets really excited whenever he visits mall, and last time when we visited Express Avenue for shopping, he was forcing us to take him inside a salon which was for kids to have his haircut done, but we did not find time then and also it was crowded, so we decided to take him next week and here we are. We are now going to the basement of Express Avenue Mall. There is a new store open called House of Candy. So if you have kids, then definitely do try visiting House of Candy. And very next to Prisma Leggins is Kiddie Cut Saloon, which is meant for kids and also for adults. So it's a themed based saloon, guys, and as soon as we entered the saloon, Zohan selected his car for the day. So we asked the hairstylist as which hairstyle will suit Zohan and which one should we prefer. So he gave us suggestions from internet and we finalized this hairstyle for Zohan. And after finalizing the hairstyle, they are about to begin the haircut process for him. And look at Zohan enjoying rhymes on TV, and he was also enjoying in his car. Zohan was very much excited to visit the salon, and look at this, guys, they are using disposable materials for doing the process. None of them are reusable. Everything is disposable, and their staffs are completely vaccinated. They also wear a badge which has Express Avenue symbol on it. And now let me quickly give you a store tour. As I already told you, Kiddie Cut Saloon is located in the basement of Express Avenue Mall, right next to Prisma Leggins and nearby Big Bazaar. Now let me quickly take you over the salon. As soon as you enter the salon, this is how it look like. They have very good interiors done. They have a couch where you can sit and relax. They have a manicure pedicure section, particularly a station for kids. On left side they have themed vehicles for girls, and on right side they have themed vehicles for boys. They also have a hair wash station, and along with that they also have accessories for kids, like you can see bags are there. And this is the station where Zohan was having his haircut. Look at him enjoying the rhymes, and he was sitting so quietly. We did not even had to support him. He was so patient enough to have his haircut done. And they started the haircut process for him using trimmer. They are actually a trimming of Zohan's hair as per the hairstyle which we selected. When I asked Zohan whether he's enjoying, he replied saying yes. He was so silent and so patient. He gave his full support and he cooperated so well. He did not ask us to stay. He did not ask us to stay next to him. We were just loitering around. He himself sat patiently and did the entire process. So this is the billing section where they have all the accessories which kids would definitely love. They have stationery, they have toys, they have bags, they have umbrellas, they have chocolates, etc. So I really like this salon. The look and feel of the salon is really amazing, and definitely it attracts kids a lot. Zohan also got attracted. That was the reason why we took him to this salon. Kiddie Cut Salon is open on all the days, guys. It is open right from morning 10 a.m. till night 9 p.m. and also the interiors of the salon were really good. Like it was again theme based. There was a Spider-Man themed wall and mermaid themed wall, and girls station was also amazing. I also liked boys station personally because they had varieties, like there was a bike, there was a jeep, there was Audi car, mini car, and there was also vintage type car, so it was definitely attractive. And if you want, you can call and get appointment from them, because usually on weekends they get really busy because too many kids visit their store. If it's on weekdays then it's fine, but if you prefer to have a haircut done on weekend, do get an appointment. I'll try to mention their number, details and everything in the description box below. Do check out. Oh my god, just look at the hair Zohan has lost. I really felt bad because his hair had really grown well last 2 months, and they are giving this proper shape on both the sides, and it really turned out to be amazing. And once the haircut was done, they started blow drying his hair, and that was done for the setting purpose. Now let me tell you about the services which they provide here. Apart from kids haircut, they also style kids hair. They do hair tattoos, they do some drawing, some patterns on hair. They call it as hair tattoo basically. And they also provide manicure and pedicure services for kids. They simply clean babies' nails. They give mild nail polish, which is completely kid safe, and I really found that part to be very interesting. And now let us look at the station for adults. This is a personal private space for adults where they can have a haircut done. Kiddie Cuts also provide services for adults, like they provide haircut services and it is done by professionals. They also provide ear piercing service, and they also do tattoos, hair tattoos, and they also do hair spa. So there are so many services which they provide. And finally, Zohan's haircut is done, and if you want, I'll mention all the details about the store in the description box. Do check out. And Zohan got cleaned up. They cleaned him very nicely, and look at his hairstyle, guys. Did you like it? If in case you like the hairstyle, please do leave a comment. They charged 650 rupees including tax for Zohan's haircut. I personally feel it is quite reasonable, because obviously the salon is a themed based salon and it is in mall, and also the services which they provide are really satisfying, and also they used disposable accessories, disposable materials while doing the process. So definitely worth the visit and worth a try. So do check out Kiddie Cut Salon when you visit Express Avenue Mall for having your kids haircut done. The best part about the salon is that they'll engage your kids and you will have a smooth haircut done for your kids, and kids will also cooperate, just like how Zohan did. Your kids will not trouble you, they will not trouble parents, that much I can assure. And we got a pop it up bubble for Zohan. I'll be coming up with a video very soon on that. Then we headed to Miniso to buy earphones for me, and trust me guys, Miniso earphones are really good. I have been using from past 3 years. And then we went back home. This is the final look of Zohan after hair wash. Do let me know in the comment section if you liked this hairstyle, and what do you want to know more about the store. We'll be coming up with other interesting videos very soon, so all you have to do is subscribe and stay tuned to my channel for more such updates. Until then, bye bye.